Every Saturday morning, we clean our house. Saturday is cleaning day. Let's talk about cleaning day. I don't like cleaning. Cleaning is not fun for me. But my husband and I clean together. Look, the house is messy. It's dirty. The floor is not clean. There are clothes on the floor. There is garbage on the floor too. First, we pick up everything. I pick up the clothes. My husband picks up the garbage around the house. After picking up the clothes from the floor, I take them to the laundry room. I take the clothes to the laundry room. I wash the clothes in the washing machine. Next, we clean the floor. I vacuum the floor and my husband mops the floor. Vacuum the floor, mop the floor. Now the trash is full. My husband takes the trash outside the house. The trash is outside our house. Cleaning is finished. We are very tired, but the house is clean. After cleaning and our house is clean, we like to relax and drink some coffee. Today, we talked about our cleaning day and everything we do on cleaning day. See you soon. Bye.